What is up, YouTube, man? I'm back at it again with yet another vlog, and for today's vlog it's going to be a similar vlog. I did this kind of like a couple 2 weeks ago, and this is going to be a sneaker shopping vlog, but in this vlog it's going to be a little different because in this vlog I'm going to be giving you guys some gems throughout, so make sure you guys watch through this whole video. But with that being said, the sneaker I'm going to cop, the first sneaker I'm going to cop is a New Balance or a Nike Pegasus Premium. I'm going to go ahead and go over to the Nike Collective right here in Long Beach, so without further ado, y'all just gonna walk with me. I'm gonna get 2 different sneakers in this video, so y'all stay tuned. But with that being said, this is gonna be a really entertaining video. And in this video, if you guys do go ahead and stay through, I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm able to go ahead and buy all these sneakers so that I can provide for my channel and just give you guys this content. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and walk in here. I don't even know, this is kind of my first time going to this Nike. And I did already put the Nikes on hold, and this is a really anticipated Nike sneaker. But with that being said, this should be a pretty dope experience. The scenery over here is pretty dope. It's a nice neighborhood, or a nice area, I can't lie. But with that being said, y'all stay tuned, because I'm gonna get 2 sneakers, as I was saying. I did get a sneaker from, what do you call it? I got a sneaker from the mall the other day. I'm gonna go back to that same mall to get another sneaker. But, yeah, stay tuned with me, y'all. This is gonna be very entertaining, and yeah, I'm gonna be yapping a lot in this vlog too. Let me know how y'all messing with these vlogs. I'm trying to pick up the camera more often and post daily. But they got an Urban Outfitters here. They got excuse me, I had a question for you guys. You guys know where the Nike Collective is at? No?
Nike Collective?
Yeah, I heard there's a Nike Collective in the area.
Might be that way.
That way?
Yeah,
for sure. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good night. But the scenery, as y'all can see, the scenery is pretty dope. I've probably been here, I think I've been here one time, but it's never been for the Nike. But the Nike, also when I had to call in for this Nike, they said they only had it in a women's size. So unfortunately, just like that other video where I had those pair of Jordans, they might be low-key a little small, but I'm still doing what I can do for this content. So I'm telling you guys, if I'm gonna get some content, it's gonna be great, no matter what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can lock these in. And yeah, Travis, I don't really see none. Oh, there it is. Y'all can see the Nike in the distance. Is this the Nike? No, this is not the Nike. This is just an athletic store. But we're gonna go ahead and get this Nike. Hopefully it'll let us record in the Nike store. I know some stores kind of be weird with you recording, but let's go ahead and see. This isn't Nike, right? Oh wait, it is Nike. I'm tripping. Why is it so empty in Nike? As y'all can see, this is the Nike store. Lots of clothes. That's how it is from the walk through. Hello. I actually put a shoe on hold. It was the Nike Pegasus Premium.
What's the name?
Aaron, A-A-R-O-N. Perfect. What new shoes do you guys have that are in stock, just like the premiums? Would you happen to know? So you got the Jordan 3 Black Cats. Those are new, a little bit. Anything else besides that?
None. I mean, it's pretty much what we have out.
Cool, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, there's no cameras?
Bruh.
For real? I'm just gonna get my sneakers and I'll be out your way. Ain't no way, y'all. So I gotta break the news. I was trying to record for y'all, but I did indeed secure the sneakers. But they was not trying to let me record in the spot. I'm just like, I'm literally just trying to get my sneakers and I'll be out of your way real quick. But the security was like, really on me. Like, he would, like, I get it's your job, but is it really that serious? Like, at the end of the day, is it really that serious? But mission complete. I'll go ahead and show you guys the sneakers probably. I'll show it to you guys right now when I get a chance. But yeah, these are the Nike Pegasus Premiums. Dope sneaker. Really anticipated. I believe I don't even think they dropped a week ago, to be honest. Like, I'm really up on this drop. But with that being said, let me go ahead and show y'all how the sneakers look. This is the little unboxing for y'all. This is the box. Pretty simple Nike box, as y'all can see. Nothing too crazy with it. You can see Nike Pegasus Premium. I had to get a women's size. And it's low-key not small. My other shoe was actually smaller than this one. But a real quick look around, just so you guys can get the picture. These are slick. I'm not even gonna lie, like a dope sneaker, as y'all can see. Nike Pegasus Premium, super light, like the Nike Pegasus 41. kind of did a review on these sneakers, but like the ones before this. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys the other ones. You guys will see that more in depth in the actual review. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the next spot, and the next spot is gonna include these sneakers right here, as you guys can see, that I actually bought in my last sneaker shopping video. And this is gonna be a little tips and tricks if you guys do want to start your own sneaker channel, or really anything, to be honest, because you can really use this trick if you do want to get into fashion, let's say, or if you want to get into, it could be cars or basically anything. But that being said, let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll see y'all at the next mall. What is up, YouTube, man? I'm back at it again with this vlog, and I know for sure at this center they should allow me to vlog. But with that being said, we do have the sneakers, the one only sneakers that I was going to talk about with you guys, and I was going to tell you guys, I was going to give you guys some hidden gems. And something I did want to tell you guys is the fact that I actually heard this from a famous, I believe it was actually Zendaya, but don't quote me if I'm wrong. But, and hopefully you guys can see me in this darkness. But with that being said, I heard in one of Zendaya's, on like one of her comic stories, I heard that she actually, before she had the money to buy all the designer clothes and just have like that look of like a star or just somebody that was up on the come up, she had to go ahead and buy things, but then she had to go ahead and return them herself. So with that being said, you guys, you don't have to always have the most amount of money for whatever business you want to start. And I say this to say, I actually didn't even come up with this idea myself. My aunt actually told me this idea way back when, and I actually just acted on it. And to be honest, that's why on my channel you guys are able to see so many different sneaker reviews, so many different thumbnails on the sneakers. That's because I always go ahead and get some new sneakers and I always keep myself up on trend. So that being said, in whatever business you guys have, you guys can use that little tip, because you don't have to have it all in the start. You can go ahead and just build slowly by slowly. But with that being said, I do have these sneakers. I'm gonna go ahead and return them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get another pair of sneakers. And I just basically keep doing that. Just keep flipping them, returning them, flipping them, and we just go up from there. But with that being said, they do have a shoe palace. Low-key might have to go in that shoe palace once we're on the way back. Dang, it is low-key kind of empty in this mall, no? But I gotta go return these sneakers at JD Sports. We're gonna go to JD Sports, and then we're gonna go to Chic. And I kind of feel bad that I gotta return these Chic sneakers because the guy actually gave me a free sock. But with that being said, we gotta go inside, return them, and do what we gotta do anyway. So, oh, this is a fire store. It's called Palacio. Low-key might have to check that out. But I know they ain't gonna let you for sure return no type of sneakers. But with that being said, it's a little dining court. I think I might have came in the wrong way, but hopefully we can still find Chic. Excuse me? Do you know where Chic is at? The sneaker store? No? What about JD Sports? Straight left? Thank you, appreciate it. Low-key, my hand is low-key getting tired. But I love JD Sports. As y'all can see, JD Sports is right here. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and return these sneakers, so I'll catch up with y'all once I'm done. But I'll see y'all once we go ahead and get out JD Sports.
A few moments later.
With that being said, first return was successful. Now we just gotta return these shoes right here. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into Chic and see if they got some new J's. So I'm looking for some Jordans. Specifically, I think they're called the black metallics. They're the 5s, I believe. I'm trying to get those on the channel because that would be low-key lit, because I don't have 2 recently dropped sneakers. But if that doesn't work out, I'll probably go to like Shoe Palace and just pick out some random, to be honest. But let's go ahead and go in Chic, and then I'll catch up with y'all once we go ahead and look at the next sneaker. So that is that, you guys. Last return of the video, and this just goes on to show that you can actually do this. I've done this multiple times, you guys. So if you guys do have some type of business or whatever you're trying to do, and you can utilize this method to go ahead and just finesse, or not really finesse, but really just get products as if you actually have them, I definitely will go ahead and do so. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get yet another sneaker, and I'm not sure which sneaker I'm gonna get yet. I'm probably just gonna get some regular sneakers, whatever they have at Shoe Palace, probably like a New Balance, or I don't know, something of the sort. But we're gonna go see what Shoe Palace has, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the video. And yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feeling. I still need to get some public interviews on the channel. I've been slacking on that recently because I've been posting a lot of different content. But y'all definitely gonna see that. Hopefully I'm gonna do that with the Nike Pegasus Premiums. Or not hopefully, I will do that. We're gonna speak it into existence. But we're gonna see what they have at Shoe Palace. Oh, they got the Zoom Vomeros, as y'all can see right there. Probably give me a pair of New Balances. Something like that. We're gonna see. They low-key got a fire wall, I'm not gonna lie. They got some J. Oh, they got the Fears. We did that on the channel. If y'all want to see it, go ahead and click up here. If y'all want to see the Fears. This little Fear review. They got some ones. They got lows. They got a bunch of random. They got some Adidas. Special. Should I get another Samba on the channel? I don't know. How's it going? Pretty good. They got hella New Balance, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and probably just look around and then I'll check up with y'all once I get a sneaker. But yeah, I'll go ahead and see y'all in a minute. With that being said, you guys secured the last sneaker at Shoe Palace. This is a pair of, y'all can't see it right now. I don't even know what I'm trying to show y'all. But this is a pair of New Balance 9060s. Y'all gonna see when I show you on the car, but it's a cool little colorway. I was debating between the A6 Gel NYCs, I believe they were, and this one right here. And if I find a picture of them, I'll put them on the screen right now. But I decided to get these because I feel like more people resonate with this sneaker, and I feel like the other sneaker, the colorway wasn't really like a good vibe, I'm not gonna lie. But with that being said, that is so crazy because, bro, when I tried to return the black cement 3s, bruh, she was not trying to have them. She was like, oh, they're dirty. Oh, they look like they've been worn. But thank God, man. Thank God I really got them through. With that being said, you guys, I don't even say this to scare you guys. Like, I do still stand on business and say that you can still go ahead and get whatever sneaker you want and go ahead and return it. Just make sure you do it, like, smart. You can't, like, really wear the sneakers. Even though I wore them outside for, like, just, like, 2 seconds for a little thumbnail. But with that being said, the work gotta keep going, the flow gotta keep going, you feel me? So that being said, that's gonna be the end of the little vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how the sneakers look like in the car, but I hope it's not too dark. I hope y'all can see me right here and it's not just footage. But with that being said, I'm gonna go to the gym, but I'm gonna show y'all these sneakers right now. I'll see y'all in a bit. Low-key almost forgot to show y'all the sneakers, but these are indeed the sneakers. As y'all can see, we got the one and only New Balance 9060s. I'm going to put them to light so you guys can see them a little better. But with that being said, these are the sneakers. I did go ahead and get the Nike Pegasus Premium, which you guys seen before. But if you do want to see some more vlogs from me, go ahead and click the playlist up here.